Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. I am with my mom today. Hi. Look at her. Hello. And we used to do like shopping vlogs all the time. It's been a while since we did one. I think it's been like a year. So I'll link like our old ones down below. But we are going shopping today for Christmas and just fun, and just hanging out and grabbing lunch and all the fun girly pop things. So I thought I'd take you guys along with us. Right now she's wrapping a gift. Who's this gift for?
This one is for Mimi.
Mimi. This is her mom. Look how cute her outfit is. This is from Free People. Like adorable. And then these are, what's the brand? Oh, hi,
It's called
Gola.
Gola.
And they're, those are sick, mom.
They are so comfortable.
They're from Anthropology, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's where I got these.
And then her purse, she's doing this, which I just did a video on, the high-rise bum bag. So she's doing the high-rise bum bag. Like mother, like daughter, I'm wearing the high-rise bum bag as well. Dress, also from Free People. And then I have these Gucci Raython, Swarovski, crystal, dusted sneakers on. So this is the fit. I kind of already have a plan of what we're gonna do today. We're gonna hit Hyde Park and then we're gonna go to Tampa International Mall and just shop till we drop. The weather's actually pretty nice today. I think right now in Tampa it's 77, so that's why we're wearing like cute little dresses. I know at the mall I definitely need to get a Baccarat Rouge because I'm almost out. I know this looks like I have a lot left, but I go through this. So I definitely know I need to get one of these and then just some like random clothes or whatever like floats my fancy. Always Baccarat Rouge. Spray. I have been getting so much use out of this bag, guys, since I did that video, and my mom loves hers as well. But I seriously fit so much stuff in here. I'm gonna do what's in my purse on this bag, and I always upload a new one. Like my first video of the year is always on January 1st, and it's always a what's in my purse. So I'll do one on this purse so you guys can see like everything I keep in here. But seriously, it is the best bag. Like I just cannot say enough good things about this bag. I love it.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents.
Okay, we just finished with Hyde Park and got some nice goodies. So we're gonna go to the mall now. We got our Buddy Brew ice lattes. So.
Cheers. Love it. Buddy Brew, you were amazing.
She keeps talking about it in the car. She's obsessed.
I mean, literally, I could just do this.
Just drink so much.
Oh my gosh, it's so good. It doesn't even taste like you're drinking coffee. It's so
amazing.
creamy.
It is good.
Love
The oat
it.
milk they have is really good.
Splendid.
So obviously we just went to LA. Like I didn't vlog my trip just because it was a little like of a different trip, but I'm gonna vlog the next trip that we go to next month when we go to LA. And Alfred's coffee was the best coffee I have literally ever had. It was so insanely amazing. I only had it twice or maybe 3 times on Rodeo. It was phenomenal. And Buddy Brew is kind of like the Tampa version of, you know, Alfred's coffee. But if we had Alfred's, oh my gosh, it would be so dangerous for me. Like I'd be there all the time. It is the best. Like I can't even describe like the non-burnt coffee taste with their like oat milk. It is so good. Those are so cute. I love those. Turn to the side. Love. Big fan. You guys, that was such a good shopping trip. We just got back. It's like 4:45. I'm totally gonna do a separate video, I think. I think like that's the move. But we went to Sephora. My mom got some Chanel sunglasses, which you guys saw in the video, but we also ended up getting 2 pair of Celine matching sunglasses. So I don't know, somehow I ended up with the Chanel bag, but I have both of the glasses that I need. I'm gonna give her a pair for Christmas. Sweetest lady at the Baccarat Rouge, like Maison, whatever, counter. She was so sweet. She gave us 2 full size, like the actual ones of the rose hair mist, because it was just so sweet. Like, she loved us. We got a lot of Baccarat Rouge stuff, so I'll show you guys that. And then an online order from Abercrombie came in, so I will show you guys that. I ordered this Refy primer the other day on Sephora and it finally came in, so I'm excited to try that. And then a few other things from in-store Sephora are right here. I also got some super cute outfits from Aritzia. Also trying RO, which is in Hyde Park. It's like a new restaurant, was amazing. Like, the food was so good. It was phenomenal, very yummy. You guys, I am so sorry that this vlog was like so short and didn't have a lot of footage to it. Sometimes it's really hard to vlog when you're just like in the moment and just doing your own thing. So I apologize, but I'm gonna give you guys a mini haul of some of the things I got, and then I'm also gonna do a fully like separate haul video, which also has a huge giveaway in it, so stay tuned. I'm first gonna show you guys what I got from Aritzia. We just got one that opened up in the Tampa Mall, and I live like 15 minutes from the mall, so it's like a match made in heaven. Aritzia has really great like timeless pieces that will last you forever. So I got the Willow Cinch Seamless Deep Taupe color top, and I tried it on. It fits really well. It's just like a good basic crop top almost, but it's full length. The material is like really stretchy and nice, and I thought that this would be good for layering or just like wearing it as like a simple top with baggy jeans. I got it in this color, and I think I have some more, so hold on. Okay, I swear I got it in 2 more colors, like white and black, but I just don't know where they are. But I 100% have them. I just don't know where they were because I didn't wear them yet. Whatever, it's kind of a mess in here. I have a lot of stuff going on, so yeah, I just got this top, but in 3 colors. So next up, I tried this little sweatsuit on, and I'll insert the photo right here. It is so cute. And I got this gray one as well, but it's in the wash, so I'm just gonna show you guys the blue one. I realized that the older I'm getting, the more I'm like, ooh, a cute, trendy sweatsuit. Like, sounds like the vibe. So I got that gray one, and then this one's like a little bit more like fancier, a little bit more like done up. So it's like a cargo sweatpant. So here's what the butt looks like, and then it has like the pockets all around it, and it has like a flared leg moment. This is the Terry Mega Cargo. It's in the shade Shady Blue, and I got a medium. It's the sweat fleece from TNA. These are adorable on me though. I'm gonna try them on for you guys right now just so you guys can see what I'm talking about. You can't pull them up too high because then they give you like the little camel moment, but I do love these a lot. I think they're super cute and really great with New Balances. Honestly, even this top, if you want to like have it like a little bit more dressy. But yeah, I'm a huge fan of these. Like, I love them a lot. The top that I got to go with it is just like the cropped sleeve zip up. Now I did get a small on the top because I prefer it to be like a little bit more fitted, but it's still baggy, which I'm going to show you guys this on me too. I have this huge juicer right here on my chest, and I don't know where it came from or what it's doing. Okay, keep in mind I have clothes on under this, but I'm a fan. Like, the small is still baggy and like big, but I can have it like zipped halfway down, and I just love it. With some New Balance 9060s, this is the vibe. This blue is also kind of like a slate kind of blue. I don't know, I just really like it. Also, look how cute these earrings are from Amazon. They're like little bows. Perfect for the holiday season. If you guys are looking for like good quality, like matching sweatsuits, then definitely go to Aritzia. You're gonna pay a good price, but they're gonna last you forever, and they wash up super nicely. So my mom got the green glasses that I showed you guys in the video, and they're Chanel. They're really beautiful. They have like the tweed on the side. I love them, but they're not like fully my vibe. So I got some Celine glasses, but they ended up giving me the Chanel bag. So I'm just gonna show you guys the glasses that I got. We got matching ones. I'm giving her her glasses that she got for Christmas, but these are mine. They're just like a simple pair of glasses that's like a bubblegum pink. I thought these were so fun. I typically like only go for black glasses, but I thought these were like such a vibe. I don't know, I'm just like kind of here for it. They offer like a really nice shade, and they kind of have like that cat eye effect up here in the corner, so I'm a fan. They had a few different colors, but this pink one was calling my name. Last but not least, our girl hooked it up at the Maison Francis Kirk de Jean. I don't even know how to say it. All I know is that Baccarat Rouge is my favorite smell. But she made us like little gift basket like box things, and I love her so much. I'm not sure if I got any footage of her doing her thing. Maybe I did, but she was just so sweet. So I got a few things, and then she gave me a full size of the A La Rose hair mist, and this is like really expensive. You just give it some squirts in your hair, This is honestly a really good smell. I would wear this as like a perfume. She said they're changing the packaging, so she was just trying to get rid of whatever she could, and I was like, oh, I'll take one. So she gave one to my mom too. So that's really crazy that we got full sizes of a hair mist. I purchased a brand new full-size Baccarat Rouge because I was out. And then also, well, I wasn't out. I showed you guys in the beginning of this video. I had like a little bit left, but I took the new one to South Carolina with me because I can't stand running out of perfume when I need it. But these are like the refills. I have like the gold kind of refill thing, and then you just have to like buy the refillable fragrances to put in it. I always keep them in my purse because I always love to touch up. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I know the vlog was short and the haul was like a little bit longer, but I tried to make up for it. But I have a whole separate huge haul coming up, so stay tuned for that, and there's also a huge giveaway. I love you guys so much. Merry Christmas Eve, and I'll see you guys in my very next video, which is tomorrow. And then I'm posting so much, so stay tuned. Mwah. Bye guys.